Yeah, we fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Got the Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake. Got some whipped cream on the top too. 2 straws, 1 check, girl, I got you. Bougie like Natty in the styrofoam. Squeaky squeaking in the truck bed all the way home. With some Alabama jamma, she's my Dixieland delight. Woo! That's how we do, fancy like. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Walker Hayes. Let me know if you guys have any other requests. Also, I want to know something specifically. If you can just let me know, basically you can just say yes or no. I just want to know, do you prefer that I sing the song and show you so you can see how I'm playing it at the beginning, or would you prefer that I don't do that and I just get like straight into the lesson? So let me know that in the comments, okay? Also, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? All right, so this song's super easy to play. You're gonna have a capo on the 2nd fret and it's in standard tuning, and then you're only gonna use 3 chords. Now, you could do 1 strumming pattern throughout the whole thing. I don't think that would sound near as good. So I'm gonna show you how to play it with a couple different ones, all right? So to start off, the chords you're gonna use, all right, you're gonna use E, okay, just like that. You're also gonna use B. So again, B is supposed to be played like this, where you put all those 3 fingers on and then you bar, okay? That will sound better, but that's harder for a lot of you guys, and I know a lot of you are newbies. So what you're gonna, instead, just play it like a power chord. So just don't use your middle finger, all right? So you're gonna put your pointer finger, and you are gonna try and bar it, but you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string and across, and 2nd fret in relation to the capo, okay? Everything is in relation to the capo when you're using one. So A string, 2nd fret all the way across, and then you could put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? So it doesn't sound quite the same, but no one's gonna notice, all right? So that's an easy way to do it if you can't do B. All right, and then the other chord you're gonna use is A, but you don't just do it like in that order. So I'm gonna show you. So this song's super easy. I'm not gonna show you the intro right now because I'm just showing you the chords, but if you guys want, let me know, and I'll see if I can show you do it on just the intro part, okay? So you're gonna start with just E. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just E, and you're just doing down, down, up, 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 down, B, okay, and you go to B, down, down, up, 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 down. My girl is banging, she's so low maintenance, don't need no champagne, poppin' entertainment. Take her to Wendy's. Okay, so you could play it like that. All right, now, and that's how you'll play the intro. What I would recommend doing is once you get to the actual verse, I would recommend palm muting it. So using this part of your hand, putting it as close as you can to the bridge right there, palm muting it, and doing just down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. So, and then you're gonna play a little bit different when you get to the chorus too. Now, so the way that I'm gonna walk you through how you play the verses, and then I'll show you where you play the A chord, because you only play that a couple times in the song. So you're gonna do E. So when you start playing the verses, you're gonna do my girl is banging. So banging is where you do E. Banging, she's so low maintenance, don't need no champagne, poppin' entertainment, take her to Wendy's. So Wendy's is where you do B. All right, other than that, you've just been playing E the whole time, except for in the very intro part with no lyrics, okay? So you're gonna do, take her to Wendy's, can't keep her off me. She wanna dip me like them fries in a Frosty. But every, okay, so it's on but every, that's where you're gonna do A. But every now and then, so here you can still do the palm muting if you want. You can do, but every now and then when I get paid. So you could do that, and then you'll do, I gotta spoil is B, spoil my baby with an upgrade. Hey, hey, yeah, we fancy like Applebee's. Okay, so when you do the pre-chorus part, you can either keep palm muting it, or you could do, but every now and then when I get paid. So you could just do single strums, all right? But every now and then when I get paid, I gotta spoil my baby with an upgrade. So you're just gonna do 2 strums of each one, 2 of A, all right? And then spoil my baby with an upgrade, hey. All right, so you could do that, or you can actually just play it kind of like down, down, like you did the intro, but a little bit loud. But every now and then when I get paid, I gotta spoil my baby with an upgrade, hey, hey. All right, and then you can mute right before you go to the chorus, and you're gonna start with you're gonna do E. All right, so you're just gonna do E and B the whole time in the chorus. You're gonna do, yeah, we fancy like Applebee's. Applebee's is where you do E, okay? Applebee's, and for the first like half of the chorus, you're gonna play it softly. Yeah, we fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Got the Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake. Got some whipped. Okay, so on whipped is where you do B. Whipped cream on the top two straws, one checker like got you. Bougie like Natty. So when you do bougie like, you're gonna mute it. You don't have to, but I think it sounds better if you mute it. And then you're gonna do bougie like Natty, and then you do it louder. Natty in the styrofoam, squeaky squeaking in the truck bed, all the way home with some Okay, Alabama is where you're gonna do B. Alabama Gemma, she's my Dixieland delight. Woo! And then you go to E right after woo. Woo! That's how we do. Fancy like. And you're gonna play it like the intro again, okay? So now you actually know how to play the whole song, because then you'll just repeat the intro and you go to second verse, second chorus, and then the bridge is the same, I believe. So let's see. So the bridge here. Actually, sorry, on the bridge, what you're gonna do is I would just do single strums and mute, just like this. But you're just gonna play E and A, B, and then A. So you'll do my new clean blue jeans, she without the holes in them. Country kisses on my lips without skull in them. Yeah. So on yeah you do B. Yeah, she probably gonna be keeping some Victoria's Secrets, maybe a little Maybelline, but she don't need it. In the kitchen is where you do A. So kitchen is where you do A. In the kitchen, light radio slows down. All right, and then you do B. Boxed wine, and her up goes down. All right, A. Yeah, we fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Go Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake. Got some whipped cream on the top too. Okay, so that's how you play it. Super easy song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.